Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Proxy Socks5 on Firefox. So first of all, just open the Firefox, go here, this hamburger icon in the top right corner and simply go for this settings. Now in settings, just scroll down until you find network settings. Configure, just click settings right here and then here you can see Socks v4. Of course, you want to check on Socks v5 and then from here toggle first manual proxy configuration, change it to Socks v5, then enter in this Socks host and port. So for the Socks host 1.2.3.4, then for the port just simply put 1080 and then click on this OK and then you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to set up a proxy Socks5 on Firefox. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.